In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default font size for new emails, replies, and forwards in Outlook. First, open Outlook and click File. Then select Options. In the Outlook Options window, click Mail. Next, click Stationery and Fonts. You'll see separate options for new mail messages, replying or forwarding messages, and composing and reading plain text messages. Click Font next to the option you want to change. Choose your preferred font, font style, and font size. Then click OK. Repeat the same steps for the other message types if you want them to use a different font or size. When you're finished, click OK to save your changes. From now on, Outlook will use your selected font size for all new emails, replies, and forwarded messages. That's how to change the default font size for Outlook emails, replies, and forwards. Thanks for watching.